Multiply 2.29 by 10 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 0. Multiplying by 0 makes this whole row 0. The first partial product is 0. Now use the tens digit, 1. Start one place to the left. 1 times 9 is 9. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 2 is 2. The second partial product is 2,290. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 0 plus 0 is 0. In the tens column, 0 plus 9 is 9. In the hundreds column, 0 plus 2 is 2. In the thousands column, bring down 2. The whole negative number product is 2,290. Count the highlighted digits after each decimal point. The factors have 2 decimal places altogether, so the product needs 2 decimal places. Place the decimal point 2 places from the right. 2,290 becomes 22.90. That is simply 22.9. So 2.29 times 10 is 22.9.